Transform your passion for writing and your carefully curated audience into a consistent income stream by mastering Beehiiv newsletter monetization. Step 1 towards making money with your Beehiiv newsletter is understanding and implementing premium subscriptions. This is a direct way to offer exclusive content to your most engaged readers on your Beehiiv dashboard. Navigate to the monetization section, and then select Premium Subscriptions here. You can define tiers with different pricing and benefits. Think about what unique value you can offer in-depth analysis. Early access to information, private Q&A sessions, or even exclusive community forums. Beehiiv handles the payment processing, making it seamless for you and your subscribers. Clearly communicate the added value of your premium tier in your regular newsletters, enticing readers to upgrade. Step 2 involves leveraging the power of advertising and sponsorships. As your subscriber list grows and becomes more targeted, brands will be eager to reach your audience in Beehiiv. Explore the partnerships or sponsorships options within the monetization tools. You can work directly with brands to create sponsored content that feels natural and valuable to your readers. Or you can utilize Beehiiv's built-in ad network if available, which automatically places relevant ads in your newsletter. Be selective about advertisers to maintain trust. Only promote products or services you genuinely believe in and that align with your newsletter's niche. Transparency is key. Clearly label sponsored content. Step 3 is mastering affiliate marketing. This involves recommending products or services you use and love, and earning a commission on any sales made through your unique affiliate link within Beehiiv's monetization features. Look for options related to affiliate programs. You'll typically need to sign up for affiliate networks or specific brand programs. Integrate these affiliate links organically into your content. For example, if you're reviewing a book, include an affiliate link to purchase it. If you're discussing a software tool, link to it. Always disclose that you are using affiliate links, as this builds trust and maintains transparency with your subscribers. Finally, step 4 is to continuously analyze and optimize. Beehiiv provides analytics on subscriber growth, engagement, and revenue. Regularly review these metrics to understand what's working and adjust your strategies. Are your premium tiers performing well? Which sponsored content generated the most interest? Are your affiliate recommendations leading to clicks and conversions? Use this data to refine your content, experiment with different monetization tactics, and ultimately maximize your earnings. By following these actionable strategies, you can effectively turn your Beehiiv newsletter into a powerful and profitable venture.